Welcome to Sylvia Stingray. Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. It's me, Sylvia, your Yuri Manhwa translator. Hey guys, good morning. Let me present you the new chapter of Sing Mei Liao Liao or Green Flam Liao Liao, chapter 103. So here it is. Let's read the story. This is the story when Peiyu and Song are still young. Their first meet on the school before. Are you sick? Didn't you say? You are in a hurry. You treat me as a righteous messenger. You, wait for me. Her friend seems to be getting angry at her. Song, before. Just wait. If you dare to tell the teacher, I will tell your parents that you and the ghost fire in the class 16 have a teenager puppy love. You, her friend is getting angry. Now, finally, they leave her. Hey, you must give Song something so she's protecting her. Okay, let's leave. If she really tells her friend, you're doomed. Back then, Song picked up the phone. Their mouth is so annoying. Song said to herself, well, she was really good. Right now, she really protected Peiyu. And she was really smart. She really outsmart those students. Right now, looking at Peiyu, she looked back. Peiyu was calm. She was busy making homeworks. Peiyu, she looks really gorgeous. Also, she was really quiet person. No wonder I didn't see you during the roll call. What are you doing here? Your homework? I am on monthly period, so I'm taking a leave of absence. Right now, Peiyu said to her. Song said, oh, finally. Two of them are getting quiet. Especially, there's no one's troubling Peiyu. Those girls are really too much. Didn't you hear what they said? I heard it. Well, she hesitated to speak. Song right now, she was really focusing on Peiyu. Well, maybe she was really curious and interested about Peiyu. What? Aren't you angry after hearing this? Well, right now, Song thinks Peiyu will eliminate them. But right now, she was really calm. Then, go off and tease them. The left hook and the right hook, bring them into pieces. Among the three of them, I have never learned boxing. Conclusion, she will be defeated, right? I didn't let you really fight them. I really don't understand some humor. Right now, Song. She was really curious, looking at Peiyu. Peiyu, she keep herself quiet. Right now, Song suddenly get up. Probably, you don't want to disturb Peiyu. Right now, you are not. Since I don't want to think about the conflict, I don't want to explain it. The others said, don't listen to them. Oh, it turns out, Song, right now, is trying to explain how to deal with this kind of girl. Now, she only need to cover up her ears. Well, Song is really great. Right now, she was laughing. Although it's a cover up, you won't feel sad if you don't hear it. Well, definitely, she was right. And she was really smart. Song, it's done. Where are you? Right now, Song said, here it is. Well, it turns out right now, she's been called by her friend. Now Song, leaving Peiyu alone. Remember to wait for me after school and let me copy your homework. Oh, this girl. She was really tricky. Right now, you are really. Her friend sent to her. Well, she was still holding the volleyball ball. Back then, she really remembers everything. Right now, Song, since she remember what happened before. I was indifferent back then, but ended up secretly collecting a volleyball for 10 years. Hey you, when you were in school, you wouldn't be like that. Well, we are two of us who are secretly be happy for a long time when our homework books are next to each other, right? Have you seen my volleyball? If you lose it, you will have to pay for it. Right now, Peiyu, she was really holding it. Back then, she was always getting up, losing the ball. Sport Commission, I'm here to pay. Ah, didn't Peiyu forward it for you? Well, it turns out Peiyu is really tricking her. Poor Song, she don't know Peiyu is only teasing her. Thank you for subscribing to the membership. Thank you for the new member. Hey guys, thanks for watching. If you like the video, please don't forget to like, share, and subscribe. Membership is already open. For those who want to support, you can join on membership or directly support me on Ko-Fi. Thank you. Bye.